In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize the Zoho Flow dashboard with confidence and ease. Let's start by focusing on the key elements that you'll find once you're on the Zoho Flow dashboard. This space is essentially your command center where you'll manage all your automated workflows, known as flows. It's designed to give you a streamlined view of your essential tasks and those ongoing processes critical to your operations. First, when you land on the Zoho Flow dashboard, you'll notice the section labeled My Flows. This is where all your created flows reside, giving you easy access to review and edit each one when necessary. It's set up to be user-friendly, so you can filter through your workflows and find exactly what you're looking for without any hassle. Remember, having an organized set of flows is crucial for smooth operations, so take advantage of sorting or categorizing them as your library expands. Next to My Flows, you'll also see Settings. This area is where you can tweak various options to suit your preferences. Diving into the settings allows you to manage your account specifics and customize notifications. It's a good practice to pay occasional visits here to ensure everything is operating in line with your evolving needs. Similarly, if you're new to the platform, spending some time becoming familiar with the different settings can help you avoid any hiccups later down the line. And don't overlook the gear icon, which you'll find next to Settings. This isn't just a decorative feature. It holds additional options that support your experience on Zoho Flow. The gear icon is particularly useful if you're looking to integrate with other applications in the Zoho suite or third-party apps that your business might rely on. By clicking it, you can manage integrations, ensuring all your tools work seamlessly together, which is a huge time saver. For those of you who might be wondering how to create a new flow, I've got you covered. Right from the dashboard, you'll notice an option to initiate a new project or flow, typically represented by a plus symbol or an inviting button. This intuitive feature makes it easy for you to start crafting a new automated process from scratch. Creating flows allows you to automate repetitive tasks, saving precious time that can be better spent on strategic activities. As you begin using Zoho Flow more frequently, these dashboard elements will become second nature. With consistent use, you'll find navigating between your flows, settings, and integrations becomes a seamless process. If you're looking to optimize your workflows efficiently, understanding your dashboard's ins and outs is the essential first step. By mastering these features, you empower yourself to harness the full potential of Zoho Flow, streamlining operations and enhancing productivity. So there you have it, a complete walkthrough of the Zoho Flow dashboard to get you started on automating your business processes efficiently. I hope this guide helps you to effectively leverage Zoho Flow for all your automation needs.